Hi travellers, we're very excited today to be officially launching our fabulous new packing cubes. And if you've been watching for the last few weeks, you would have noticed that we have these coming. We've got 5 great colours available. And so we have worked in conjunction with a children's home in Thailand and the Hands Over Water organisation to have these made. So we think they're absolutely gorgeous and we love the colours. And Stephanie's going to tell you a little bit about them.
So these are about 15% larger than our previous packing cubes. We've done a lot of research over the last 12 months. We listened to feedback. Some people wanted something a little bit bigger, either for winter clothes that are bulkier or they're a larger size, and they just felt that we could still get 2 weeks worth in of just different size clothing in here. So we know that anything that's too large is useless. It doesn't actually compact or organize your bag, and anything too small is effectively hopeless as well. So we believe these are the perfect size. We have been testing them out over the last 12 months. They've still got a mesh panel, which is for breathability and visibility. They have got the best quality zips that we could buy. They're all reinforced inside, and they are handmade in a professional sewing room at the orphanage that we've both been to, and we've met the sewers and the staff and all of the kids there. So we're helping to support a Thai community, as are you, when you purchase these. But there's no compromise on quality. These are the best packing cubes.
Absolutely. So we have got a special introductory offer today, which is $25 per cube. So if you would like to order any, please send us a direct message and we can organise that for you and organise delivery as soon as possible.
Absolutely, and they're not available on our website yet, so this is just a special for Facebook, and we'd love to hear from you so you can pack well with these beautiful cubes. We look forward to hearing from you.